We are going to sharpen this super dull knife. Won't even cut a tomato unless you press against it. Look at what it's not doing. It won't even cut my hand. I'm not going to drag it across me, obviously, because I don't want to cut myself and go to bandage hospital or something. But anyway, look at the bevels. These bevels. So many people have sharpened this knife freehand and with honing rods. The thing is completely beat up. It's got different angles from one side to another. The Chiefer cut system is on rails. You can set the angle. I set this at 17 degrees. You can set it on the sides. And here I am, I'm working each side. It's going to be a long work. The bevels are so off, and I'm having to remove a lot of steel from this. But it's a pretty amazing system. It keeps you on rails. You got the exact same angle. These stones are from Chiefer cut. They're 400 grit and 1000 grit. Right here you're seeing I'm already on the 1000 grit. I've created the burn. I'm just working to remove it. But it is such a cool system. Anyway, it's a fixed angle guided system. Forgive my editing. I'm new at this. I'm a good sharpener. 49 years I've been sharpening professionally. And I seeing what I can do as far as teaching someone how to sharpen. So here I am flipping sides, and I'm alternating, and I'm honing in. The burr is gone. What I'm doing is I'm removing that scratch pattern and making a more even 1000 grit scratch pattern on the blade. Now I'm on the strop, and I'm smoothing it up. I'm alternating sides. The burr is gone, but I'm just kind of polishing that bevel. You're going to see, I'm going to look at it under the microscope here in a minute, and we have an amazing sharp little blade. Now this was a cheap knife, inexpensive. Somebody's been using it as a professional knife in a kitchen or a restaurant, and it was just beat up all to hell, and it wouldn't sharpen anymore. So I took it. Look at that, sliding right through the tomatoes. Yeah, that cutting board would not stick. It's not flat. It's got little dimples in it, so that tomato's sliding. Look at that tomato. He looks like a sad little man. Look at him. He's a sad little tomato. Look at that little guy. Scream, help me, help me. Anyway, we got through the tomato really easy. It's a sharp knife now. It's way sharper than you can buy knives from the store, or when it was new. So let's take a look at this on the microscope. You see how even that bevel is, and above it you got scratch patterns. This thing has been beat up from the feet up. I mean, it's just a tore up blade. And look how even those scratches are. That's a 1000 grit scratch pattern cleaned up with the strop. And it did a really good job. That knife will make anybody happy if it's in their kitchen. It's going to do a really good job for, vegetables and fruits, cutting meats. It's not a large blade, but it's going to do a really good job for somebody. So Chiefer cut for the win. It absolutely did a great job of taking what was probably a knife used for 10 or 15 years and turning it into a really nice blade. And it just slides through this paper. Look at that. It's a done deal. Look at that shiny edge. Okay, 17 degree bevels, perfect on each side. Chiefer cut for the win. I'm not sponsored.